This is Emilia with One Dreaming Bear, and today I will be taking you on a journey of transforming despair to joy. Before we begin, turn off all distractions and all mechanical equipment. Once you have found a safe place, we shall begin. Begin by finding a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and allow yourself to relax into the sound of my voice. Feel your body begin to sink into the surface beneath you. Take another breath in and expand your chest, feeling the fresh air fill your lungs. Exhale slowly, releasing all the tension in your body. Imagine yourself in a beautiful, peaceful place. It might be a sunny beach, a quiet forest, or a lovely garden. Wherever you feel the most is at ease, let your mind take you there. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Hear the gentle sound of nature and smell the sweet scents around you. This is your special place. Whether you are safe, where you are safe and loved. Take another deep breath in and expand your mind. Open yourself to new possibilities. As you breathe out, let go of any negative thoughts or feelings. Feel the weight of despair lift off your shoulders. Like a heavy coat you no longer need to wear. In this safe and peaceful place, you are surrounded by unconditional love. This love is always with you, no matter what. It comes from within you and all around you. Imagine this love like a warm golden light that fills your heart and spreads throughout your entire body. Feel this light in your chest, in your arms, down to your fingertips. Let it flow through your legs, down to your toes. You are glowing with this beautiful golden light of love. Take a deep breath in and expand your heart, allowing this unconditional love to grow even stronger. As you exhale, imagine sending this love to every part of your body, healing any pain or sadness. This love is powerful. It can transform anything, even the deepest despair, into pure joy. Now imagine a small, dark cloud of despair inside you. This cloud might feel heavy or cold, but remember, you have the power to change. Take a deep breath in and expand your lungs, filling them with fresh, healing air. As you breathe out, imagine blowing this dark cloud away. See it dissolve into tiny particles and disappear into the air. Feel the relief as it leaves your body, making space for joy and happiness. With each breath you take, you are transforming more and more of that despair into joy. Feel your heart becoming lighter and lighter. Notice how your body relaxes and your mind becomes calm. You are doing amazing work, and you deserve to feel proud of yourself. Take a deep breath in and expand your imagination. Picture a beautiful, bright flower blooming in your heart. This flower represents your joy. See its vibrant colors. Feel its soft petals. Imagine it growing bigger and brighter with each breath you take. As this flower blooms, it fills your entire being with joy and happiness. Feel the joy spread through your chest, down your arms, into your hands. Feel it travel down your legs and into your feet. You are a beautiful, joyful being. Now, let's take a moment to think about the things that bring you joy. It could be spending time with loved ones, playing your favorite game, or simply enjoying a sunny day. Let these joyful memories fill your mind and heart. Feel the happiness they bring and let it grow inside you. Take a deep breath in and expand your gratitude for these moments of joy. As you breathe out, send a wave of thankfulness out into the world. You are surrounded by so much love and joy, and it is a wonderful gift to be grateful for. Remember, you have the power to transform any despair into joy. It all starts with a deep breath and the belief in your own strength. Take a deep breath in and expand your belief in yourself. As you exhale, feel that belief become stronger and more solid. You are capable of great things, and you deserve to be happy. Whenever you feel despair creeping in, remember this moment. Remember the warmth of the golden light of unconditional love. Remember the beautiful flower of joy blooming in your heart. Remember the power of your breath to transform and heal. You are never alone, and you are always loved. Take a breath in and expand your sense of peace. As you breathe out, let go of any remaining tension or worry. Feel your entire body relax completely, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. You are at peace. You are loved. You are joyful. When you are ready, slowly start to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and your little toes. Stretch your arms and legs. Take one last deep breath in and expand your awareness to the room around you. As you exhale, open your eyes, feeling refreshed and full of joy. Thank you for taking this journey with me. Remember, you have the power to transform despair into joy, and you carry the light of unconditional love within you always. Please share your experience in the comments below and give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. This is Amelia with One Dreaming Bear, sending you off with an abundance of love, joy, and happiness.